Today we're eating spicy noodles. Now we're gonna cook it.
What is that? What's the
Bulldog kerbau samyang green.
bulldog karbo? Samyang. Wow, ini pedas banget loh, Gana. Kamu kuat?
I don't know. I haven't tried this.
Arfi, you want to try?
I'll just try a little bit. Hey, we already put hot water and the noodles. Now we have to put these things.
Tunggu dulu sampai 4 minutes, okay?
Okay. Hey, now we're gonna put these stuff on that. Sorry, because I did that. Now let's put it here. Is this enough?
Semua.
I think that's it.
Arfi,
And I'll
mix it first.
mix it. Let me mix it. Looks so cheesy.
Okay.
Hi guys. Now we're gonna put the sambal inside there. Chili. I hope it's not so spicy. 'Cause I don't want to. Now, guys, now we're going to eat the spicy noodles. And if we're hot, we're gonna eat the Haribos. We got a bunch of Haribos here, so we can eat it. Now let's start with no drinking. One.
Okay, that's
No, you have to
no,
spoon.
that's fine.
No, you don't. One. I'm gonna take the bite first. Two. Three.
I'm scared. Is it yummy or spicy? I'm gonna put the onion and the something.
That is so spicy. I don't care. I'm just getting water. It's like spaghetti.